South College Library Tutorial, APA 7th Edition Paper Formatting Basics. Part 5, the References page. To format a reference page, start at the top of the next page and put References in bold and center aligned at the top. Reference entries are organized alphabetically by author last name. Each reference entry must be left aligned with a hanging indent. If you are using Microsoft Word, you can use the ruler function at the top to manually set the half-inch indent. The basic formula for a reference entry consists of the author or authors, the date of publication, the title of the source, and then the information for locating the source, or the locator information. Each author name is listed in the same order that it is listed on the source you are referencing, with the last name first, followed by the initials of the first name or names. Sometimes an editor will be listed instead of an author. In this case, put ED or EDS in the case of multiple authors, followed by a period in parentheses after the editor's name. List up to 20 author names on a reference list entry. If a source has more than 20 authors, list the first 19 names, then use an ellipses followed by the last author name listed on the source. If the author is a group author, spell out the name of the organization. Do not include any abbreviations for the group author name or use the abbreviation in place of the author name. Next, the date of publication is placed in parentheses after the author. The year by itself is sufficient for most reference entries, but the full date is recommended for some sources like news articles. After the date of publication, put the title of the source in sentence case. Sentence case means that only the first word of a title, the first word of a subtitle, and proper nouns are capitalized. Formatting for these elements of reference entries are all the same for all sources regardless of source type. Please view the next video for examples of how to format reference entries for different types of sources. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please contact library staff or check out the library's APA 7th guide.